dust in a burning sky. You were raised by ocean winds with fire in your eyes. I've spoken scars and broken prayers. You spoke in ancient songs to wandering souls in a world that said we were wrong. They told us love has borders. They lied straight to our faces. Desert and ocean collide tonight. Your dark water meets my firelight. Two lost worlds, one wild flame. We don't bow, we don't break. When you take my hand, I understand. This was written in the sand. Mexican heart, Somali soul. One love that won't let go.
Your eyes carry Mogadishu, storms and golden shores. Mine hold dusty highways and forgotten wars. They said we were too different, said we'd never stand. But you prayed to your God and I kissed your hand.
Faith in different languages still whisper the same truth. Desert and ocean collide tonight. Your dark water meets my firelight. Two torn worlds, one sacred flame. We rise up, not ashamed. From the sand to the Somali sea, you were always meant for me. Mexican blood, Somali bone. One love, one home. You wear gold on your brown skin like the sun on blackened waves. I bring roses from the desert, you bring courage from the graves. They can throw their stones, we'll build a throne out of everything they tried to break.
Your veil, my cross, your prayer, my loss. Somehow love still found a way.
Desert and ocean side by side, we turn the dark into light. No more running, no more chains. We're free in love's domain. From Durango to the Horn of Africa, we carve the future out of fire and dust. Mexican heart, Somali soul, one flame that burns us whole.
We can't stop what God has done. Two wild hearts become one.